Le Jeu de Paume est l'une des grandes institutions françaises entièrement consacrée à la photographie. En ce moment, les clichés poétiques et méditatifs de Raoul Haussmann et les récits photographiques de Susan Meiseles. Depuis les années 70, la photographe américaine Susan Meiseles rend compte des grands sujets de société en profondeur avec un style à la fois documentaire et narratif. Ces clichés de conflit pour l'agence Magnum l'ont rendu célèbre. Guerre au Nicaragua et au Salvador, génocide des Kurdes, opposant au régime d'Allende au Chili. Dans ces régions traumatisées, elle noue des liens privilégiés avec les populations pour mieux comprendre les situations.
In some cases, I still have a connection going back to both places. I was in Nicaragua just a few months ago, actually a few weeks ago. And the person that I met on the very first day I saw again. He's not in a photograph, but it was his father, Pedro Joaquin Chamorro, who had been assassinated, which led me to Nicaragua. So he's still a link, a deep link for me to understand what's happening in the country. And El Salvador, I was there about a year ago at the exhumation, again, a new exhumation of the Mozote massacre.
Mais le travail de Susan Meiseles ne se limite pas au photoreportage. Elle utilise toutes sortes d'images, de la photographie à la vidéo en passant par les matériaux d'archives, pour construire des récits.
I'm not sure exactly that I want to tell a story. I definitely want to make a frame that has maybe even a story within it, multifocal, different dynamics within a photograph. But then I like very much a series of photographs, and they're sort of leap points, they're counterpoints, they're not just a straight line, A to B to C. So in that sense, it's not a classic story with a beginning, middle, and end.
Susan Meiseles préserve la mémoire et montre l'évolution de ses personnages sur la durée. Des gamines de Little Italy devenues adultes, la transformation d'une petite vie industrielle avec les albums photos des habitants.
The process of integrating archival material really begins in that first room you see, Lando, the mill town, where I'm teaching in a public small elementary school in the daytime, and I begin to wander and I discover one of them coming from a town not very far by, a very small village where there had been a mill town. And I do a project with the kids to collect their family albums and to portray the community through those family albums.
Par ses photos, la photographe rassemble les pièces d'une histoire collective, celle d'un peuple et d'une nation en construction, comme au Kurdistan.
I think the most in the Kurdish situation, they knew very little about what I was doing, as did I. I just had this motivation to see whether or not you could bring 100 years of history into a kind of visual form, a visual history, let's say, to kind of give a feeling for the history and the longing for a nation. And, many times they would bring 20 photographs and I didn't choose one. That was hard because it didn't seem that it added, in a way, this curious way in which every fragment adds a piece of the mosaic that it goes from one frame and a story that someone might give you about who's in that photograph to this larger frame of 100 years of history.
Susan Meiseles fait toujours preuve d'un profond respect pour ses sujets et d'une grande humanité, comme lorsqu'elle révèle la personnalité de ces femmes qui travaillent dans l'industrie du sexe. L'artiste veut montrer différentes perspectives sur les personnages.
I'm hoping the series, you see it very much, I think, in Carnival Strippers, opens up different perspectives. So you might be looking first from the view of the fairgrounds at the women who are performing, and until you get into the dressing room, you're not thinking, who are they, as I was, and then the dynamics with the managers and then the clients, so it builds.
Également en ce moment au Jeu de Paume, les clichés de Raoul Haussmann. Le photographe autrichien, membre du mouvement Dada, a développé une pratique très singulière, à la fois documentaire et lyrique, sereine et contemplative. Des nus superbes et sculpturaux, des paysages de dunes mystérieux, des portraits magnifiques et d'une grande intensité psychologique.
Porque me dices que ya estás arrepentida, que hiciste mal, que soy el todo de tu vida, pero ya está.